What's up, guys? See this? Blow drying the hair today for this tutorial. I want to show you this, so this might get weird for a second. But all we have are easy 3 products that I'm gonna blow dry my hair with on a box, a mirror. We got, this is the volumizer. This is gonna make our blow drying easy. Round brush, this, and we're ready to rock and roll. So here we go. You ready? Let's do this. All right, you guys, this has been crazy to try and do this with all wet hair and all the shenanigans, but you always ask how I blow dry my hair. I did one a long time ago. Make sure that we'll send you this one in the notes cards up above, but that one did really, really well. I got things simplified, okay? 3 products, Glaze hair lotion, whip mousse, and salt and sea spray. So I will be showing you how much I put in my hair per product. So first we have the Glaze, and that one I'm just putting in like probably a nickel size amount, something like that. Then what I do is I take it through the hair. I start at the bottom parts of my hair, and I'm just going to kind of go throughout from bottom on up. Okay, then I have the whip mousse. I get a good in there. That one is to help add the volume. So the Glaze was there to protect it and help add volume too, but the whip mousse is adding volume and texture. And lastly, I have the salt and sea spray. So I'm spraying it in my hand to kind of show you that I use a lot. I use a lot. I don't spray it in my hand and then go and put it on, but I do use a lot of the salt and sea spray. And this is a good one that you have to test on your hair ahead of time. So let's get started, shall we? All right, so short, blonde hair. My hair is, as you can see, like there's not a ton of curl to my hair, nothing crazy going on. I used to have more curl, and then I had kids, and then everything changed. So we want to get voluminous hair, right? So I'm gonna blow out my hair. This is something that you guys, it's gonna be so good, like you're going to the salon and getting a blowout, but I'm getting it at home. And I'm teaching you how to do it even quicker. I'm going to be using, where'd she go? Right here. I'm going to be using this baby right here. She packs some heat, okay? And then I have my blow dryer as well. And I'm doing 2 things because you're gonna see that I'm making round brushing so much easier. So let's get started. All right, the Glaze goes in right here. And what I do is I start at the ends because this is where I really want that protection, right? And I work my way up. So kind of one side of my head is getting, and back is getting the one hand, and the other side is going to get the other. I make sure I really protect my baby hairs, and then what's ever left over, that's when I go on through the hair. This one, start with the ends, work my way up through, and this makes your hair so stinking soft, so protected. It is incredible, amazing. What's on my palms, and making this go all through, all up in here. Okay, so I don't really get it on my roots, but I get it all throughout. All right, whip mousse. I'm gonna go in, have my dollop. Too bad it's not whipped cream. Just kidding. Okay, and I do the exact same thing too. So I go through the ends a bit, but then I come on through. I'm not focusing so much on the roots itself, but I really want to get that volume in the hair. So have this come all through and not on my face. And then I'm coming through really well. Get it all mixed in there. Good. So I haven't even, did you notice that I didn't even brush my hair after pulling it out of that towel? Didn't even have to touch it because that Glaze is going to make my hair so stinking soft. So I'm just, normally this is where I'd wash my hands off at the sink, but there's no sink in front of me. You already saw that. So I'm just gonna wash or wipe it off with a rag, and I have my salt and sea spray. So I do about 11, 12 sprays. I recommend testing out what you want. So lift it up, just don't spray the top. Lift it up, come on through, and then see how much you want to use. And then I do go through the hair and kind of scrunch it all in there. And that's when the next step is going to be brushing it. And I will just brush it. See how smooth that is? Like I don't even have to. The product is amazing. This sucker right here, it's like my holy grail. I mean, you just see how soft and smooth that is. Get a ball in there, soft and smooth. You know you like it. It's pretty dang good, pretty dang awesome. And then I'm not having to fight my hair and all that makes it soft. All right, let's blow dry. I'm gonna get a hair tie. I'm gonna do this up in sections. I'm gonna start out blow drying my hair with this blow dryer. All the links for everything, you guys, I always fill out the descriptions below with tons of information. So check that out there. And then I'm going to, when I get up in here more, you're gonna see me switch to this baby right here. So this makes it easy for the round brush part. I know that it is so stinking hard to round brush the hair all the way through. And so that's where this comes in. It makes it quicker. You can actually do your whole head with this. You don't even have to use a blow dryer, but I found that this way is even quicker, which if you have seen any of my other videos, you know that I love. So let's get started. All right, let's get this party started. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I have 2 different round brushes. Do whichever size that you feel is best for your hair, but 2 different sizes. This is a 43, 33, I can't remember. Let's just do this. All right, blow dryer first, and then I'm just gonna play some cute music that you'll love so much, and then we're gonna roll it to the volumizer, but I'm gonna use the smaller round brush for my underneath. Real quick, like, I put mine to middle heat. I don't really ever use the high heat. I just do the medium heat because I'm trying as hard as possible to not get hot heat to my hair. Oh, one more thing, really quick, like, you want to go at the direction of your hair flow. That's what helps you get less frizz. Going like that with the round brush. Just go through, go through, go through, go through. Or I could do it how I'm gonna show you, where I'm just gonna let it go through a little bit, let it dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna bring in this bad boy. So you can do it multiple ways, but this is my way. This is where I'm going to re-part off my hair, and I'm gonna bring in that Le Volume to get some good volume and to get the most perfect blowout for myself. And then for you, when you go and try it too. Just wanna brush out your strands before you start. Make sure there's no knots. I'm gonna turn it on high. If it ever gets a little bit too hot, I turn it back down to cool. So it goes high, we have low, and we have cool. I'm gonna be going in between the high and the cool a lot. So if it ever gets too hot, I'll just turn it to cool and cool it down. Also helps set that curl. It works like a charm. and it was not bad at all. I should have timed how long that took.
10.
10? Something around 10. And my hair's done. I don't even have to go do anything else. I can just chill. Maybe your lens because I moved. Hair's done. That's how we do it. Your lens again. It's done. Hair's done. But really and truly, my hair is now done. I wouldn't even have to go and curl it or flat iron it because it's done. So the 3 things again, just to wrap it up, we have the hair lotion. Love it. Then I did the, well, that's the Glaze hair lotion. Sorry about that. Then I did the Whip Mousse, and then the Salt and Sea spray. And I do these all from Launch. Yes, I am an affiliate with Launch, but I don't know what I would do without the Glaze hair lotion. This stuff is out of this world, so good. And speaking of that, I have a video that I will put up above here, wherever it goes. This was in my 10 favorite things, like 10 favorite product of all that I can think of that is like, oh, I gotta have you right now. Okay, you guys, oops. I'm gonna end this now. And I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you wanna see more from blow dry, maybe you like something you saw here, but comment below on which you want to see. What blow dryer you're using. I know we talked about blow dryers in my last video that I did the note card above for. One last thing. Finish Your Makeup with Jocelyn McClellan on Facebook. Instagram is jocelyn.mcclellan. You should follow me there because that's where I give so many more tips and tricks. Plus you get in on some other stuff. And then Tuesdays and Thursdays, I'm always live on Facebook for hair and makeup. Okay? All right. Peace out. We'll see you. Bye.